Welcome. I invite you to find a comfortable space where you can sit or lie down and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, feel yourself grounding into this moment, fully present. This is a time of new beginnings, a time for intention setting, and a time to connect with the energy of the new moon. Allow yourself to release any lingering thoughts or distractions, letting them drift away like clouds in the sky. You are here now, and everything else can wait. Now take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment, and as you exhale, imagine a wave of relaxation sweeping through your body from the top of your head down to your toes. Feel your muscles softening. Your thoughts quieting, and your body sinking deeper into relaxation. With every breath, imagine that you are descending a gentle staircase, step by step. With each step, you go deeper into a peaceful state of mind. 10, 9, 8. Feel yourself letting go. 7, 6, 5. Relax deeper with every breath. 4, 3, 2. Almost there. 1. You've reached the bottom, and you find yourself in a peaceful, serene space. Feel the calm embrace you fully. Now you're standing in a beautiful moonlit garden The soft, silvery glow of the new moon bathes everything in its light. The air is crisp, fresh, and full of possibility. Take a moment to stand still and breathe in the energy of this garden. You are safe and you are surrounded by the quiet energy of renewal. As you stand in this garden, take a step forward and notice a path unfolding in front of you. This path leads to a peaceful clearing where your intentions can take shape under the nurturing energy of the new moon. So walk slowly along the path, feeling each step connecting you deeper with the earth beneath you. As you walk, you begin to notice a small, glowing light in the distance. The light is warm, inviting, and filled with potential. With each step you take, the light grows brighter, more vibrant, calling you forward. So walk toward it now, allowing the energy of this light to draw you closer. As you approach the light, you see that it's coming from a small, sacred altar in the center of the clearing. This altar is for you, and it's here to support your intentions. So take a moment to look around and notice the moonlight shining down, illuminating this space. Feel the energy of the new moon rising within you, filling you with a sense of limitless possibility. Now approach the altar and sit down before it. In front of you is a small bowl filled with sparkling, shimmering water. Gaze into this water and allow it to reflect your heart's deepest desires. What is it that you wish to manifest under the new moon? What intentions are calling to you? Spend a moment here in quiet reflection, allowing any thoughts or desires to come into focus. When you're ready, take a piece of paper or a small object that represents your intention and place it into the bowl. As you do, imagine the energy of the new moon filling this intention with light and power. See the intention begin to grow brighter, charged with the moon's energy. Now allow the light of your intention to grow within you, expanding throughout your entire body. Feel it radiating from your heart, filling you with warmth, clarity, and purpose. You are aligned with the energy of the new moon, and this intention is being set into motion. So sit in silence for a moment, feeling the energy of your intention fully settle into your being. Allow any sensations, emotions, or insights to arise. Trust that the seeds you've planted today are already beginning to grow. When you're ready, rise from the altar and begin to walk back along the path. As you walk, feel a sense of gratitude for this time you've taken to connect with your intentions. Know that the universe is now supporting your desires, and you are open to receiving all that you have asked for. As you make your way back to the garden, take a moment to feel the energy of the moon surrounding you, supporting you. With every step, you feel lighter, more aligned and ready for what's to come. Now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes and return to the present moment, carrying with you the energy of the new moon and your powerful intentions.